The next song is HA U PRAH. All of you say HA U PRAH. Okay? So we are going to dance HA U PRAH. I'm Gabs from Africa, South Sudan. I'm here in Shillong and we are celebrating Amy mother's birthday. So we are doing a dance challenge. This is Amy. We are doing dance challenge, guys, with so many friends and kids out here. So we did like 4 to 5. You can go and check the other videos. So we will see the dance winner of HA U PRAH. HA U PRAH, Konde Bana, HA U PRAH, Bane Bana. Let's go. Put the music. Maina mana HA U PRAH. Men sim jonga HA U PRAH. Let's go, let's go. What happened? Keep it. Oh, don't disturb. Let's go. Voice up, it's more. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Konde Bana HA U PRAH. Bana Bana HA U PRAH. Bana Bana HA U PRAH. Bana Bana HA U PRAH. HA U PRAH. Bana Bana HA U PRAH. HA U PRAH. Okay, HA U PRAH, HA U PRAH, HA U PRAH.
HA U PRAH.
HA U PRAH.
Wait, like HA U PRAH.
HA U PRAH. So many winners. So many winners. There is so many winners. How we are gonna solve that? I think we have to call President Arden. We will ask for support. President Arden, you have so many winners. Oh my gosh. But we are going to select one winner. The remaining Arden will take care of it, okay? Yeah, you have so much love here. So the winner of HA U PRAH goes to who? Oh, Okay. Okay, she's the winner of our PRAH. Okay?